The Power of Self-Improvement: How to Make Positive Changes in Your Life by Tracy. Self-improvement is the act of actively working to become a better version of yourself. It involves making positive changes in your life, learning new skills, and working towards your goals. The power of self-improvement lies in its ability to help you unlock your full potential and create a life that is fulfilling, meaningful, and satisfying. While the process of self-improvement can be challenging, the rewards are well worth the effort. By making positive changes in your life, you can improve your physical and mental health, build stronger relationships, and achieve greater success in your personal and professional endeavors. So, how can you get started on the path to self-improvement? The key is to set specific, achievable goals for yourself and take consistent, deliberate action towards achieving them. This might involve setting aside time each day to work on your goals, seeking out learning opportunities, or surrounding yourself with supportive and encouraging people. It's also important to be patient and persistent, as change takes time and effort. You may encounter setbacks and challenges along the way, but by staying positive and focused on your goals, you can make lasting changes and become the best version of yourself. In this video, we will explore some key strategies and techniques for making positive changes in your life and embracing the power of self-improvement. Whether you are looking to make big changes or simply want to improve in small ways, these strategies can help you get on the path to personal growth and development. Let's get started. So, how can you get started on the path to self-improvement? Here are some key steps to consider. Set specific, achievable goals for yourself. The first step towards making positive changes in your life is to know exactly what you want to achieve. This might involve setting goals in areas such as your career, relationships, health, or personal growth. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards your goals. Take consistent, deliberate action towards achieving your goals. Once you have set your goals, it's important to take consistent, deliberate action towards achieving them. This might involve setting aside time each day to work on your goals, seeking out learning opportunities, or taking small steps towards progress. It's also important to be patient and persistent, as change takes time and effort. Seek out learning opportunities. One of the keys to self-improvement is a willingness to learn and grow. Seek out opportunities to learn new skills, acquire knowledge, and expand your horizons. This might involve taking classes, reading books, or finding a mentor or coach. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people. The people you surround yourself with can have a big impact on your journey towards self-improvement. Seek out friendships and relationships with people who are positive, supportive, and willing to listen. Surrounding yourself with the right people can help you stay motivated and on track as you work towards your goals. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for making positive changes in your life. Make sure to prioritize self-care activities such as eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. It's also important to manage stress and seek help when you need it, whether that be through therapy, medication, or other forms of support. Embrace challenges and learn from your mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of life, but it's important to view them as learning opportunities rather than failures. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow and learn, and don't be afraid to try new things. Stay positive and focused. The path to self-improvement can be challenging, and you may encounter setbacks and challenges along the way. It's important to stay positive and focused on your goals, and to keep things in perspective when times get tough. By maintaining a positive outlook, you can stay motivated and on track towards making positive changes in your life. In summary, the power of self-improvement lies in its ability to help you unlock your full potential and create a life that is fulfilling, meaningful, and satisfying. By setting specific, achievable goals, taking consistent action towards achieving them, seeking out learning opportunities, surrounding yourself with supportive people, practicing self-care, and staying positive and focused, you can make lasting changes and become the best version of yourself.